Hey, this is Dan with Sleep Ride. Just got done with our beautiful camping trip out here on Mount Hood. Me and the homies went and did a little golfing trip over here and brought the Sleep Ride platform along. So in the last video, we had Chad install it for you, but now I've got Kevin here with me and he has never seen the platform before. So I'm gonna ask him to uninstall it. So I want you to see how easy it is to uninstall it as well. So that said, we're gonna put Kevin to it. All right, Kevin, go time. So same thing, I'm gonna give Kevin the option to ask me any questions he's got. We kind of looked at it. Kevin's a little bit more of a pre-planner than Chad. He likes to know what he gets into, so we did talk about it. So right now I'm gonna walk to the other side so you can see Kevin is under there undoing the threaded bolts. Okay. Kevin's utilizing the two-fisted method. He's a little more competitive than Chad. Beautiful. Very nice. See, this is the part I like, is he doesn't have to ask many questions because it's such a great setup. So one of the things I don't know if I got a chance to talk about in the first video, I'll go through that really quick. So what I've done here is I've set a little pocket system here in for the leg mount brackets, and then I've got strike plates for magnets, and then I've got actual magnets up here. So essentially what this is gonna do, which Kevin is gonna show us here in a second, is that this thing actually fits into itself.
Wait.
Sorry, what's that?
You said the legs go in it?
Oh, no. The legs do not go into it. Nope, it's just the platform itself that sits together. So yeah, so it's got little guide pins in there so it aligns, and then yeah, connects via magnets. So yeah, as you can see, actually, Kevin, would you loop this up for me?
Yeah.
Sweet. Yeah. So then it's got a little handhold, and it just sort of fits together like a little suitcase, and doesn't feel like it comes apart, right?
No, not if I don't want it to.
Good. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. Well, thank you for that little demonstration, Kevin. And then, yeah, last piece, we're going to pull out the headrest brackets and boom, one. I'm going to get a side view here. There we go. Last one. And the Sleep Ride platform has been disassembled and very nicely put together for a display purpose. Good work, Kevin. Appreciate it. Yeah, sir.